Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Bernard, your marketing soldier. Um, I have not done a video in a very long time. I've been a member. I've been um, in the online industry for numerous years, and for probably about maybe 10, 15 years now. And in that time, I've looked for an abundance of opportunities to help me, earn money online. Um, I've been involved in the crypto game for probably about 5 or 6 years. And again, in the search to earn online, I've joined numerous opportunities to allow me to earn online with crypto. And unfortunately, there have been many that I have joined, and many have failed. Um, Probably within the last 6 or 7 months, there have been a couple of companies that have come about that um, claim that they can trade for you, or trade crypto for you online, um, through an abundance of different um, crypto, what do you call them, crypto platforms like Binance, Kraken, things of that nature, through API settings. So basically, which means when you join it, you put your money on Binance or Kraken or an exchange, that your money, and with the API settings that is attached to these platforms, they're allowed to trade for you without having to touch your money at all. I've joined a couple within the last few months, and none of them compare to what you're looking at right now. So, Matt AI, I joined just yesterday. Okay. Um, And I have to say that this is probably one of the best bots that I have seen so far. Um, right now, in the U.S., there are probably like a handful of people who are using this platform right now. And basically, the way it works is you sign up for the service. You sign up for the service, and what happens is you send your API settings to either Binance or Huobi. Those are the only two exchanges that are being used right now. You send your API settings to Binance or Huobi, and the bot will trade on your behalf 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right? You do have to use a VPN, because um, Binance, for a lot of you people that may not know, there's two Binances, Binance and then Binance US. Um, Binance US, you can't does the Matt AI bot does not use Binance US. It only uses Binance. So I have to use a VPN to be able to use my Binance, and that's the exchange that I'm using right now for this bot. So currently, like I said, I joined yesterday, and the results so far have been phenomenal. So right now, if I go to my eLedger, you will see that in just 24 hours, with a $2,700 investment, I have earned $29.13, which is just a little over 1%. Okay. Now, what will happen at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe that's the way it works. This will reset. This side right here will reset where it says profit today, and then that'll be my profit for the day. And so I have like another hour to earn. It'll show what my earnings have been for the last 24 hours. And then right here, in this row right here, you'll see that these are all the orders that have gone through Binance, and these are my profits for the money that I have inside Binance. Now, I know the amounts look small, but this is a by the minute type trading. Like the trades are happening like every second of the day. You can earn, like right here, you only earn like 14 cents from this trade, but they're accumulating over time. Look, these are all the trades that have gone through and my profit for the day that have equaled out to this $29.13. Let me see if I refresh this, if it's gone up anymore. It'll probably still be 29.13, but it might go up a little bit. We'll see. So it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Just give it a second. But while that's loading, let's see if I refresh it. But while that's loading, this is it's blowing my mind what I'm seeing from this system so far. There are multiple videos on YouTube discussing Matt AI, and I'm going to start making more videos about Matt AI because, like I said, it has just been phenomenal. I don't know why it's not loading. Let's try this again. Okay, it still says $29.13, so it hasn't gone up much. It hasn't gone up at all. But anyway, the results have been, like I said, have been phenomenal. So what happens is when you set up your bot, what you're going to have to do is there are coins that there are certain coins that Matt AI trades with. Um, and these are the coins right here. There's a whole list. There's about 40 some odd coins that Matt AI trades with as of right now. And you can see these are all the coins that Matt AI trades with. Um, so depending on the amount that you put in, you will choose how many coins that you want to trade with. Um, you'll choose, how many, what the amount of coins that you want to trade with or whatever. And I chose about 7 or 8 coins that I'm trading with right now. So right now I'm trading with Link, TRX, Ether, Bitcoin, EOS, XRP, ADA, and BNB. Those are the only coins that I'm trading with currently. Um, and like I said, depending on how much you put into the system, you can trade with more, you can trade with less. It's really all up to you. But when you sign up, uh, there's a step-by-step process. There's videos out there with step-by-step processes to show you how to set everything up. I have a Wix site that I use that shows me exactly how to sign up for everything. So this is what I use. Um, and that'll pop up in a minute. So yeah, so right here, I use this site here to walk me through the process on how to set everything up. Gives me step by step on how to sign up, and it takes about an hour or so to get everything set up. But once it is set up, it just goes. It just goes. So right now, if I go to my Binance account, you can see right now that, like I said, initially I started off with $2,700. Right now I'm sitting at $2,719 because the market has been fluctuating. But let me see if I refresh it. Let's see where I'm sitting at right now. If I refresh this, let's see what we have. Okay, so it's gone down a little bit. It's going down to 2710. But like I said, that's irrelevant, because my account has been fluctuating. It's been going up. It's been going down. As you see, um, these are all my active trades right now. Out of the $2,700, I have about a little over 700, or a little under $700 that are in trades. And it's working, guys. It really is working. Like I said, you go here and you can see that my cumulative balance since I started um, has been $29.13 or something like that, or 17 cents. But anyway, I'm going to leave some my email address at the bottom of at the bottom of the video. And then if you want, you can reach out to me, and I'll send you whatever information that you would like to learn more about Matt AI. Again, this is um, a hands-free, set it and forget it system, right? Um, you put your money in, you choose the coins that you want to trade with, and Matt AI does the rest. Um, so just like I said, you can reach out to me in email. I'll send you whatever information that you would like, and then I will help you get started throughout the process. Um, like I said, this is probably the best bot out there right now that trades for you. And I think anyone who gets involved with this will love it. I mean, I've seen testimonial videos from a couple of people who are in the system, and they're making incredible returns. Like I said, I've earned about 1% in just a day, and the day's not even over with. There's some people on here that have earned 20 some odd percent in a day. Okay, and what they're no earning claims, but right now they're projecting 10 to 30% that you can earn monthly with this bot. Okay, that's phenomenal. So again, if you want to learn more about Matt AI, um, hit the email below and send me a message. Or actually, I'll leave my Facebook there also, so that you can connect me through Facebook and email, and then I can help you get started. So again, it's Bernard, your marketing soldier. I know this is going on for a little bit too long, but hit me back up, and I will help you get started, and we can start earning crypto daily, 24/7 together. All right, y'all take care. Bye.